Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about list data structure in Python. We will define a list, which is done with a set of square brackets in Python. Let's see. I will have a list one is set to some values such as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lists are used to store homogeneous data. That means all data of the same type. For example, we can create a list of integer. Uh, it's also okay to store heterogeneous data in a list. For instance, we can have a combination of strings and integers or floating point, such as this. Indexing or accessing of the individual elements within a list is done from index number 0. So the first value 5 is at index position 0. Now just display the values of couple of the elements in our list. We can do that by just using a print function, and we are going to pass in name of our list and the index location, which is 0. This will print the element 5, and then we are going to print list and the last element. So the first start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So index 4 will print 9. Let's run our script and check the output. And we have here element 5 and 9 printed for us. List knows their length. Let's check the length of the list by using a length function and passing it to print. And to length function, we are going to pass our list. And now just run our script. And we get the length 5 printed for us. We have 5 elements in our list, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lists are mutable, meaning that you can change their contents. Python lists are dynamically resizable and changeable. For example, if I access the list element with its index, we will go for the last element 4, and we are going to set its value to 10. And now I'm just gonna print again, print a list and the last element, list 1, and the last element index is 4, and run our script. And now that our list has the new value for our last element, we can use the for statement along with the rate function to access elements of a list via their index number. I will write a for loop for I in range, and then we will use the length function to say give us the length of the list. The length function is able to give us back the number of elements in a list. So I will use inside range the length function and pass our list to it. And now we are going to print the indices of the values and the actual values at each index. So this will be f I, and then our list one, and the list value. So this is the index of the list, and this will be the value. And we just need to save and run our script. And here we can see the indices of the values and the actual values. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Assem Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.